Is it the right time to buy or sell NIO stock? That's what we're here to discuss in this video. We initially published a report on NIO on our website on Wednesday, December 27, 2023. And today, we're going to dive even deeper into the analysis. Don't forget to stay updated on all our latest analysis by subscribing, hitting the like button, and turning on the notification bell. It's important to stay informed about any updates that could affect your investments. Looking to enhance your trading decisions? We've recently launched an AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. With this tool, you can tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. It's a great resource to have in your trading arsenal. Lastly, please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a professional financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Since December 26, 2023, our system has ranked NIO as a hold/accumulate with a score of 0.41. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Although the stock has experienced some fluctuations, it currently stands at a loss of 2.47% since our initial hold/accumulate recommendation. This translates to an average daily loss of 1.23% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a break above the top trend line at $9.32, as it could indicate a slower falling rate and potentially a shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of -6.75% over the next 3 months. The potential return during this period could range between -28.63% and -4.50%. When considering the 12-month trend, we anticipate a -11.79% change over the next year. The potential return during this timeframe ranges between -39.28% and 42.18%. This translates to a projected price range of $5.53 to $12.94 after 1 year. Our latest update on NIO brings a headline stating that the evaluation of NIO stock has been downgraded after the last trading session. The NIO stock price experienced a decrease of 2.47% on the last day, which was Wednesday, December 27, 2023. It went down from $9.33 to $9.10. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.95%, starting at a low of $8.89 and reaching a high of $9.33. It's worth noting that the price has risen in 8 out of the last 10 days and has seen a positive growth of 25.17% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is considered a positive sign as volume typically follows the stock. Specifically, the trading volume fell by 30 million shares, with a total of 99 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $897.07 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $16.18, while the lowest price was $7. Currently, the price is 43.76%, equivalent to $7.08, below the 52-week high, and 86.42%, equivalent to $57.89, below the all-time high, which occurred on January 11, 2021, when the price reached $66.99. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, June 12, 2023, UBS gave NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. Also on Monday, June 12, 2023, Citigroup gave NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, March 14, 2023, JP Morgan gave NIO a neutral grade with a downgrade action. And on Thursday, March 2, 2023, Telsey Advisory gave NIO a neutral grade with a downgrade action. Lastly, on Thursday, December 29, 2022, Citigroup gave NIO a hold grade with a hold action. Analysts have given NIO stock a general buy rating. They consider the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for NIO. The NIO stock shows positive forecast as it holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. Additionally, the relation between these two signals also indicates a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any price corrections downwards, the stock will find support at $8.60 and $7.72. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. While some negative signals have also been identified, they may influence the near short-term development. On Tuesday, December 26, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -2.47% so far. It is expected that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. The volume of trading has decreased along with the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, there was a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal was observed 2 days ago. Bollinger, there was a buy signal 6 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, a sell signal occurred 6 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, a buy signal was observed 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, a buy signal occurred 10 days ago. The long-term moving average, there was a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 67 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for NIO. When it comes to the downside, NIO's stock finds support just below today's level at $8.35 and $7.92. It's important to note that there is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In the case of NIO, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $8.35 and $7.92. It's worth mentioning that this stock can experience significant movement during the day, also known as volatility. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for this stock, classifying it as high risk. In the past day, the stock had a price range of $0.440 or 4.95% between its high and low points. Over the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 6.87%. Let's start by discussing some important fundamental data before we explore potential trading levels for NIO. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio tells us how a company's current share price compares to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to go through down periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 28, 2024. Today, let's take a closer look at some potential day trading levels for NIO. If NIO continues its upward trend, we may encounter the first resistance level at $9.33. For those who don't own any shares yet, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $8.35. Should this support hold, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop-loss for this stock is set at $8.67, which reflects a 4.68% decrease. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which also means it carries a higher level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top, which was detected just 1 day ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? While NIO holds several positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. Currently, it would be more appropriate to consider it as a hold candidate or accumulate in this position, while waiting for further development. Our analysis conclusion for this stock has been downgraded from a strong buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. After examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, December 28, we anticipate NIO to open up by $0.0067 and commence trading at $9.11. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us is for informational purposes only and should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. We're excited to share our current view on this stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. We're here at Stock Invest, wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day.